Mommy Dean, and I'm here to talk to you a little bit about Google Slides and some of the cool features it has on there. I'm currently in my Drive, and I'm going to hit New and go into Google Slides, and I'm going to want a new blank presentation. And when I come into this blank presentation, I need some inspiration. And I'm going to choose, it gives me some themes here, but I don't like these themes. I want something a little bit different. I'm going to hit this next button down the very bottom that says Explore. Have you ever explored the Explorer feature? Well, we're going to today. So here's the word Explore. I click on it, and look, I have a plethora of different sorts of designs. And I can choose those ones. So let's say, for example, oh, this blue, wow, striking. Let's see, let's choose that one. And I want to add to my presentation a photo. So I'm going to come up here where this little magnifying glass is, and I'm going to put in there, let's say I want to do a presentation today on, I don't know, dogs. In fact, I am going to do one on hound dogs. And that is going to be my search. So, we get some related content to that. Let's see what comes up. Oh, there's the hound. It gives me some information so I can do some research on this presentation about hound dogs right here in my presentation without even having to go out of Google. Now, I do have to tell you, if I click on one of these, let's say I want to learn more about hound dogs and list the hound dog breeds. If I wanted to go to this particular website, it's going to open up a new fresh page. But how cool is that? That this, in this presentation, I can be doing research right here and right now. So that is the beauty of the Explore feature when we talk about the web. What about images? I'm going to click on images. And here we go. Just a list of gorgeous photos that are all free to use. There's no copyright issues with this, and you can choose one of these. It's so simple. So let's say, you know what? I like this one right here. This looks like my daughter's dog, beloved dog, Barkley, and I love it. And I'm going to insert that image. As soon as I hit the plus sign, watch what happens. Suddenly, it comes into my presentation. And I think, I want to put it over here, but it's not quite right. I don't know. I'm going to go back using my arrow into what was called that preview, layout preview. And it's going to give me some suggestions on what I could do with this image in the layout. And I'm going to choose, oh goodness, it's so hard. How do we choose? I'm going to choose this one actually. And then I can put in my title. And based upon whatever I type into here, it's going to give me easy layouts to support whatever my content is. So, humans, best friends, hound dogs. Well, you know, hound dogs, there's quite a lot of them actually. Oops, here, look, here's our suggestions. See, we get some new similar but yet related type layouts there. And oh geez, I'm going to choose this one right here. Now let's say, you know, that's only one kind of hound dog. I want to show another representative of there. So I'm going to go back over here and put down hound dog. And I'm going to try to pick another image. Oh my goodness, look at this one right here. Is that not the most cliched hound dog you've ever seen? Let's insert that into the picture and into my presentation as well to sort of make it, oh my God, look at that picture. That's so funny. Okay, I'm going to come back. Oops, I'm going to come back over here to my suggested layouts and look how it's modified it so that you can see both of those images are put inside my presentation. And they're just beautifully displayed. Now, just another thing I want to mention, if you notice when I put in the word hound dog, web, and then all this wonderful things about hound dogs, and then images, and then you can click on Drive. Now, if you had documents that you wanted to add or video or other content that you wanted to add that was in your drive, this is exactly how you would access it. So it's a wonderful way just to seamlessly go between Google search features and your Google Drive. The Explore function is wonderful, and I highly recommend that you give it a whirl in your next presentation. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much for listening.